Welcome to another edition of Endoplasmic Idol, where our judges, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondrion will judge our three protein contestants on their protein folding and formation of disulfide bonds, and the N-glycan sugar chains which are attached to them, to decide which of these has what it takes to become the endoplasmic idol as a properly folded protein and to be sent on to the Golgi. Judges, what do you think of our first protein contestant?
Wait a minute. Stop right there. You're a loser. That's horrible. This is the worst I've ever seen. You were supposed to bind a thiol disulfide oxoreductase and form a disulfide bond between two cysteine amino acids, and you didn't. And now you don't have the right structure. You look horrible. You're a loser. I'm done with you. You'll never be a correctly folded protein. And look at that N-glycan you have. You still have that glucose still attached. You're a loser. And that glucose that you're wearing on your N-glycan says you're a loser. Well, I'll admit, that was a bit of a disappointment. You did get off to a good start, though. I noticed that the enzyme oligosaccharyl transferase did attach that N-glycan correctly. Mallectin did bind, and you did interact well with the glucosidase enzyme G1. And then calnexin bound to you, and you interacted well with glucosidase enzyme G2, but that's when you had your trouble. So you got off to a good start, and I'll give you credit for that, but you are a misfolded protein. Cheer up. I wouldn't take it so hard. After all, lots of proteins don't fold correctly on their first try. So, I know that you're a new protein. You haven't tried this that many times. The red glucose that you still have gives testimony to that. And so, we're going to give you another shot. We're going to have the enzyme UGGT reattach some more sugars to your N-glycan. We'll have connexin bind to you again, and you'll go through this cycle again, known as the connexin cycle, and you can try to refold again. Maybe we'll see you back on this show, and you'll have folded correctly. So, because you're a young protein just trying this out, we'll give you another chance to fold correctly before we take more dire elimination pathways.